Hi guys, my name's Adam and I'm here with Love Crafts. We're going to be looking at top 10 embroidery stitches in this video, and by the time you've finished you should have all the skills that you need to jump into your first embroidery project. For the next stitch we're going to be looking at doing a stem stitch. I have 3 strands of my stranded cotton on my needle with a knot in the back. And I've just drawn, using my air erasable pen, a nice straight line for us to follow. I want to come up at the beginning of my line, and with a stem stitch the best way to do it is to rest your thumb just like that, holding some of the thread to the top away from your work area, and then you want to measure away how long you want your stitch to be and pull the thread back down. Now the key difference is you want to hold this loop on the surface just with your thumb, and then bring your needle up in between those 2 stitches. And then as that comes, you can release your thread and pull this in the direction of the line that you are following. Okay, so then that stitch is complete. So again, in preparation for the next stitch, just hold the thread using your thumb out of your work area, and we want to go back down again and just pull until you have a nice loop on the surface, and you want to come up immediately next to the end of that first stitch. So you don't want to leave a gap between those stitches. And again, just gently pull, release your loop and tug it in that direction, and then we're ready for the next stitch. You want to continue working like this to do your stem stitch. Okay, release and just pull in that direction. And what this stitch will give is a nice solid line without any breaks in the stitching on the surface. So you're holding it to the side, pulling up, releasing, and then just gently tugging in the direction that you're working. And just as we get towards the end of this line, all you want to do is pull it completely flat like that, so you're not holding any excess thread on the surface of the fabric, and just do one last small stitch at the end to anchor your thread. And there we go, that is a stem stitch.